Hello YouTube, this is Harley1042 here, and I'm going to, this is I think part 3 of how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's just go ahead and get started. In part 1, you learned how to get these corner pieces in place, and you got the first row and the white side. So now we're going to work on these edge pieces on the second layer. Okay, so on this portion, you want to turn the cube upside down. So now the yellow side is going to be your top side. So the yellow side is the upper face, and the front face just varies, but I'll explain that. But what we're trying to find is these little wedge or edge pieces, and when doing that, you got to notice that these pieces, there's 4 of them, right? And the only color these pieces are going to be is orange, blue, red, and green. They're not going to be white. The white is soft, and they're not going to be yellow because the yellow ones are up here. So these pieces are only these 4 colors. So you want to find a piece that does not that's a wedge piece that does not have yellow on it. So you just need to look either here or up here. It's better to look up here in the top layer. It's better to look up here. So just look up here in the top layer to find a piece that does not have yellow on it. That has yellow. Here's one that doesn't have yellow. So what you want to do is you just want to find this piece, and what you want to do is line this color up with its center. So turn the piece until you line it up with the center like so. So it's lined up. Okay, now that you have it lined up, you can do the algorithm, which the algorithm's in the description and it's on the screen. I should put it on the screen, and all you got to do is just follow the algorithm. I'm sure you should know it. It's a little long. It's like 9 steps, but I'm going to show you a way easier way to remember this. So this piece right here needs to go here. It just needs to move here. Like, oh, let's turn it. Well, then you messed up your white side, so you can't just turn it. So you have to do a bunch of moves, an algorithm, to fix it. And if it needs to go over here, that's a right-handed algorithm. So if you need to use the algorithm, it's the one with the R's. That's the right-handed one. The one with the L's is the left-handed one. So it's a right-handed algorithm, but I'm going to show you an easy way to remember it. And this is how you're going to do it. So it's lined up. You want to make sure this is lined up, and you look at the top color, which is red. You want to go U away from the top color, which is red. So U away from red. Red side up. U away from red. Red side down. U to red. Now turn the cube over and fix the white. And when you fix the white, it will only take one time to fix the white, and it will be the same hand, the same sided hand as the algorithm it was going to be, which was a right-handed algorithm. So it will be right-handed corner fix. So right-handed corner fix, which you already know. And then there you go. Your piece is in place. Okay, now you need to turn the cube back over and look in the top layer for another piece. Here's an orange and a green. So let's go and find the orange and line it up. And the top one's green. In this case, it's a left-handed algorithm. So you need the left-handed algorithm, or just no, it's just the same thing we just did, except the opposite. So it's green and green. So you want to go U away from green. Green side up. U away from green. Green side down. U to green. Turn over the cube and fix the white, which is here, left-handed algorithm. And there you go. There's your piece in place, and your white is not messed up. So look in the top layer again, and you have a green and a red. So line it up with a green and a red. This is the left-handed algorithm. So U away from red, red side up. U away from red, red side down. U to red. Turn the cube over. Fix your white. And there you go. That's that layer. Now let's go and do this last piece. There's an orange and a blue, so line it up. And you're going to do the algorithm, which is going to be U away from blue, blue side up. U away from blue, blue side down. U to blue, turn over the cube, fix your white. And then there you go. That solves the second layer. So the next step is going to be getting across up here, and it just right now it probably feels like you're getting so close, but that's only step 3. So This is a little tricky, but be patient and you'll soon figure it out. Thanks for watching.